everybody. Can you hear me? Right, well, this is the Gundog Day, the best day of all. Sorry, I'm not biased, but we'll just introduce you some of the team here. Secret, come. All these dogs are working. They work throughout the season on shoots. We're going to try and simulate something tonight for you. We have trialing dogs in here as well, but all these dogs pick up on a regular basis. So we just introduced the youngest member of the family, which is the flatboat. Big cheer for the flatboat, everybody. Bo is just 11 months of age, so he is actually the baby of the family. And as you can see, Dan's got him on a collar and handle lead. We always try and prevent the dogs from making a mistake all the time to build up on their confidence. We're now going to the eldest member of the family, which is, he's a field trial champion actually, but we all know him here as Monkey. Monkey is 10 years old. He was 10 years old 2 days ago. So Monkey, come. Yay, good man. Come on then. You're a good man. He's a good boy. He's done me proud, and he can make any idiot look good like myself. So if anybody wants to borrow him, then... then we've got his son, Monkey son. We call him Sparrow. Sparrow, come. Good lad. Sparrow's just 2 there. Good lad. Good. And then we have Dan's Seeker. Seeker, again, relative. This is a nephew to these two. And his sister, Vespa. Vespa, come. There we go. So we have a good old family going on here. Now we got Bob's got his little Ebony over there. Sally's just called in her 16-month-old golden retriever. Now, what a stunning-looking dog. Isn't he beautiful? Absolutely stunning. And the Gundog people are going, really? Oh, he doesn't look like a show Gundog because he's a working type. Then we've got her. Who are you going to call in next, Sal? Go on then, off you go. So that's Baggins. Baggins is now retired, as some of these dogs are. And her youngest, her next dog there is field trial champion Castlemans Gundogs, who Sally made up into a champion this year. So well done, Sally. And she ran him at the International Gundog League Championship, so no mean feat for a Goldie. And we've got Bob there with his little Springer. Isn't she adorable? That's Bella. She's 4 years old. So we have the terrible 2 now. These are mine. I will apologize now for the bad behavior. They are totally out of order, but I love them dearly. So we have Toby Tourette's. Toby, come. Good lad. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Good boy. And does anybody know who this is? Secret. Can we say that a little bit louder? Secret! She is the star of the show. She's 9 years old now, and she's very pleased to be here. Secret, come, good girlie. Well done. Yeah. Well done. So that's a little bit of our independent control. It all goes out the window from there now, folks, so anything could happen. So what we're going to try and do is let you know about the different styles of training. And also, at the moment, we're going to go into a walk-up situation. So walk-up is basically when we're walking our dogs probably across a vast expanse of ground, an area. We want a nice tight line. Bob's going to be working his spaniels in front to actually flush any game that's up and about. Come on then, Sparrow, come on. We tend to have walk-up for the sort of mid-country north, where the game is more, here you go. Mark. And what we want to do is teach the dog to run the line. Jack. So we want the dog to be able to run the line. Nearly on your lap. There we go. Good boy. Clever man. The dogs have to mark very well in walk-up situations. The game isn't quite as abundant as it is in a driven trial. The dog should be able to run the line, keep to the line, because it could be 200 or 300 meters long. So it's vital that they run down the line until they hit shot scent. Once they hit shot scent, they should pull out opposite the gun who's obviously shot it and pick. Often they can't see the end gun, they can't see the end of the line, which is why they must stay tight to the line and for safety reasons as well. So off we go again then, boys and girls. You ready then? Bark, bark. So we're looking for a dog that can mark well, it can go straight, fast, efficiently to the retrieve. It should not be hunting as it goes out. Unlike the spaniels, they're actually hunting the ground, quartering the ground, checking the ground until they find and flush. And then it's shot, and then often it's our job as the retrievers to then retrieve it. Our retrievers should go out with their heads held high. We don't want them hunting as they go out. They should only be picking shot scent and blood scent, not live scent. So they can run through game. It shouldn't be a problem to them. Okay, on we go again. So we're now going to have a little bit of a mark in front. Mark in front. So now again, we're talking about working against the dog's natural instinct. The dog wants to go there. It's now got to go where it's told to go. Hello? Excuse me, can we look in the right direction? Jack, get out. So he should go off my line in a dead straight line. Good lad, good boy, good boy. Good man. Good, welcome. So the hand is not there necessarily to send them, it's to actually direct them. So it's not there, but it's over there. So the dog should take the line off the hand, go as fast and efficiently as possible in a dead straight line. Well done, Sal. So where are we going now? Off we go. Move on a little bit. Well done. Mark. Good. So Sally's going to, again, that's her little distraction. The spaniel's a distraction as well. The dog's got to go where it's told to go. Lovely. Look at this. Nice young dog there. Lovely. Sit. Vesper. Sit. Vesper. Good girl. Well done. Good girl, Vesper. Clever girl. Well done. Good girl. The dog should be gentle in the mouth, not damaging any game. Everything, of course, needs to get onto the table at the end of the day. So it's very important the dog has a very soft and gentle mouth and doesn't do any damage to the game. So off we go again. Yeah. There we go. There's one outlet for the flat boat. So there we go. So again, no running in, no out of control. Dan had him on his little handle lead and his collar. Woo, he says, this is exciting, Daddy. Yes, he says, I just got to have my brakes realigned, you know, so only a baby, so just need to get those adjusted. Well done, Dan. Not bad for an 11-month-old flat coat, isn't it? Well done, Dan. Well done. See, unlike a lot of the dogs that are here today, this is quite a familiar sort of environment. For ours, it's very, very alien, so we're doing very well. I think Bob's going to do a little bit here with his spaniels. Right quarter. Oh, look at that, nice and steady. Good. So that's Richard, the recyclable rabbit. He comes out quite a bit with us to play. And lovely control there with Bob. All right then, Bob, off you go. He's forgotten what he's doing. There we go, lovely, well done, well done. Little Ebony there, good girl, super. Right, so what have we got? Oh, we got another one, oh my word. Oh, this is exciting, isn't it? Oh, anybody see that? I don't know if mine saw it or not. Never mind, we'll give it a go. Oh, that's for Dan's other dog, superb. So that's Seeker. So everybody's had a little retrieve there, well done. Oh, thank you, thank you. So now what we've got is a huge gap in our jump. So that's it. We're just going to close that up. Well done, boys and girls. So imagination, virtual reality drive here. What I want you to sort of envisage is where this fence is. This is all miniaturized, of course. Where this fence is, that's where the guns will be stood. The spaniels probably will have been quartering all down, bringing the game forward. We've had this drive. We've now been shot over. And the guns have now told us, we're stood back behind the guns to pick up. The guns have now told us that they believe that a lot of the dead birds are still down, but it is the injured bird that needs to be picked first. It is absolutely paramount that wounded game is retrieved before any dead game. So our dogs are picking shot scent and blood scent. They are not picking live scent. All right, let's try and send some more out. Jack. Good. I've got quick succession. Vesper, get over. Good girl. Yes, young man. Oh, you wait. I can see you. I can see you, Jimmy. Right, sorry, got carried away. What's your name? Oh, I've forgotten my dog's name. Oh, yes. Chimp, get over. Chimp. Good lad. Good lad. Oh, a sneaky one in there. Sneaky. Oh, yes. Don't know about the ring party, putting the brushing there. No, got up. Good lad, good lad. Good girl, good girl. Well done. Good. Good. Well done. Good, 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 good. So they shouldn't be swapping. They should make sure that once they've retrieved something, they stick with it. They shouldn't swap game. Well done. There's Richard again. He's a little tinker, isn't he? He comes out quite often. Yeah, so there's little Richard. We've got rabbits going all over everywhere for these dogs, so they shouldn't be going anywhere. Chimp, get out. So he looked at the rabbit, didn't he, as he went out. Love him. Not bad for 10 years old. Vesper, get out. Good girl. Vesper. Good girl. Well done. So we work our dogs a lot, 6 or 8 at any one time, so they really should be going on their name and a visual cue. Good girl. Well done. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Vesper. Thank you. Good. Oh, he sneaked the rabbit. Oh, no. Oh, only in front of a few of your friends, Dan. It's all right. Don't worry about it. No one will know. Nobody's going to watch the TV. Oh, no more rabbits. Jack, get over. Get in. Good boy. Get in there. Oh, good lad. Good lad. Good. Good lad. Well done. And my poor young man in there. So we're going to start to do a little bit of, oh, that's good. The camera hadn't seen that bit before. Chimp, get on. Chimp, get on. Good lad. Good lad. So now we're going to start to putting a bit of control in. Parading Goldie, look what I got, and you can't have it. And the 10-year-old jumps the fence. Look at that. Whee! Good lad. That was a cheat. I thought you were a friend of ours, Bob. So now we're going to start putting a bit of lefts and rights in. If we are suicidal, sit up. Good, well done. Sparrow come. Vesper come. Jack, get over. Ah! Oh, 2 whistles, not good. Simultaneous whistles. No, it can't be me. I've already got the retrieve, you silly woman, you. I must have an imaginary dog. I thought it was you, you silly monkey. Oh, it's not monkey, it's his son. Let's try again then. Vesper, we're not proud, we got broad shoulders. Well done. Vesper, get over. Good girl. Well done. Good girl, Ves. Good girl. Star of the show. Oh, wait. No. No. See, 1 minute you're up there and next minute you're right down there, aren't you? Well, that's dogs for you, isn't it, boys and girls? Good girlie. Well done. Let's try again. Good girl. Well done. Good. Try again. Right. Jack, get over. That's better. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. Away. Good boy. Good boy. Good lad. Is he good boy? Out. Yes, good lad. Good boy. Well done. Good. Yee. We could play here all night, boys and girls, actually. So if you don't mind, we will, if that's all right. Good lad, well done. So you're going to pop him back? Oh, he's got the rabbit in his mind. He's got the rabbit in his sights. That's it, well done. Vesper, come. Well done. Good. So it's not what these dogs see, it's what they should get, because often they will be putting up game, and that is irrelevant to what is being asked of them. If they're asked to retrieve wounded game, if a live bird gets up or a rabbit runs, they should ignore it. So it's all down to your training. Good lad, well done. Let's try this recipe again. Good. In they go. Is there anything in there? See if we can get the camera on it. Lovely. Whoa. No, so Sally's going to maybe try the other pile of brushing. Thank you very much. Good. Oh, I tell you what we haven't done. We didn't put the spaniels out, did we? Secret didn't have a go. Oh, well, we've run out of time now. Secret, come. Yeah. No. Secret, get over. Love her socks. Go on, get on. Get on. Good girl. She hit the fence quite badly on Wednesday and cut her mouth open, so she's very brave. Yay, my little star! What a beauty! Come on! Good girl. Good girl. Good. So, right, we're going to leave them here now. Sit up. I'd like to thank you all very much indeed for coming and staying and watching us on Gundog Day. It's been a great privilege. Most important thing is you enjoy training your dogs. You enjoy learning from your dogs. It should be fun and enjoyable. They are your best teachers. If only you know what you're looking at, they will teach you everything. So I wish you well with your training. I wish you fun, and I wish you safety on your way home. So we're going to call the team in now. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippa Williams and the Castlemans Gundogs. Philippa, you better come back over here because we've got a little surprise for you. Bring your dogs. Now let's come out. Because the Kennel Club accreditation scheme, the KCII, has been running since 2004. There are over 1,500 members and there are nearly 100 instructors. Service dogs, assistant dogs, agility, working, you name it. They cover absolutely everything. But this lady has just been made the very first field trial Kennel Club accredited scheme member. Well done to Philippa Williams. Philippa being congratulated by the chairman, Paul Rawlins of the KCAI. And this is so well deserved. She's a lady that does so much for the world of dogs, entertains us, trains us, and is simply magical. Look at the way those spaniels are and the Labradors. Well done. Congratulations. Massive round of applause. Philippa Williams.